Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all, we is on the road again. All right, this is road trip, chicken fried steak road trip number 14. Oh yeah, we getting there, y'all. We're gonna get there. Oh, we got about 22 more to go. We got 22, 23 more to go of these things, y'all. So yeah, we got a lot more to go, but it's getting in the heart. We headed to North Texas. We headed to maybe North Central Texas. We headed to the town of Hillsboro, Texas. Hillsboro, Texas. If I'm coming out right now, I'm coming out of Katy, Bryan College Station area. I'm headed to DFW. I have a house in Katy and a house in Arlington, Texas. I'm headed home to Arlington, but I'm killing two birds with one stone. I'm stopping by Hillsboro, Texas, place I always wanted to stop by on my way when I come to Katy. Going back and forth. I do a lot of commuting and try the Lone Star Cafe. I heard they had an awesome chicken fried steak, and Hillsboro sits right off I-35, north or south, depending on which way you're coming from. And Hillsboro is about exactly an hour and 22 minutes from my house in Arlington. And it's about 35 minutes from Waco. So yeah, it sits right in there. And they say they have awesome chicken fried steak. That's where I'm headed right now. Right now, if you're playing along at home, I'm on Highway 6 coming out of Bryan College Station. Then I'll get in Waco. I'll hit 35 north, and then we'll head up to Hillsboro, which is about 30 minutes outside of north of Waco is Hillsboro. And like I say, if I'm coming from Dallas, DFW area, from my home in Arlington, it's about an hour and 22. Yeah, 22. I've timed it before. Really, if you want to do it half, you can say an hour and a half from Dallas. But we headed to North Texas. That's what we're going to do all summer. We're going to be in North Texas. Might be up to West Texas before the end of the summer's over. We got to do, and definitely we're going to hit the Panhandle. We're going to hit one. Y'all already know what's the best. They say the best chicken fried steak they say in Texas is Marion Strong, Texas. I would definitely be there. I would definitely be going there because that's ranked on all the rankings, the best chicken fried steak in Texas. And I'm going to see for myself if it's all about the hype. I see a lot of negatives and positives about it, but y'all already know my criteria. It must be deep fried chicken fried steak. The breading must stay on. It must be tender. Must be hand breaded, and it must be gravy must have black pepper in it. And the sides are really not important. You know I love mashed potatoes and corn on the side with mine, but that's not really a point taker or giver for that. But other than that, it's all about the chicken fried steak. So anyway, y'all sit back, relax. We'll be back probably when we get in Waco, get on I-35, give y'all a little shot, kind of where I'm going. So some people playing along at home might want to go one day, and that's why I kind of let y'all know which way I'm coming from, so give you an idea if you ever want to come yourself. So we're going to, again, Lone Star Cafe in Hillsboro, Texas. It's North Central Texas here in Texas. It's chicken fried steak trip number 14. So anyway, y'all, we will be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Well, we in Waco, y'all. Here we go. Like I said, if y'all playing along at home, it's I-35 north. I'm headed north, which will take you right to Dallas, take you out, actually, all the way to, like I say, to Dallas. You go back the other way, it'll take you to Austin, Texas. So, yeah, it's about, Hillsboro is about, without heavy traffic, it's about 35 minutes from Waco, give or take, depending on the traffic and the speed you're going. So, yeah, but Waco, Texas is actually where I graduated culinary school. My first culinary school that I graduated from is right here in the city of Waco. I went to Texas State Technical College, which was called Texas State Technical Institution back then. It was called TSTI. It's called TSTC now. But anyway, y'all, like I said, it's not much scenery today. It's just mostly freeways and highways today. So that's why I haven't been coming on too much. There ain't much to see. Like a lot of towns I go through, it's just mostly big, wide open freeways. So anyway, I'll be back when we get to the town of small town of Hillsboro. I say small town. What they got, about a couple of thousand people in it? So that's big town to me. When I grew up, with 700 people in it. So anyway, I'll be right back once we get to Hillsboro Lone Star Cafe, y'all. That's the destination today. Best chicken fried steak in Texas. Road trip continues. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are here, Lone Star Cafe, right here, y'all. And this right here is 35 north to south, left. If you go left, you go to Waco, Austin. You go right to Fort Worth and Dallas. And from this point, it takes me exactly to my house in Arlington. From here, it takes me about 50 minutes. Less than an hour, I'll be home, y'all, once I leave here. So that tell you how deep in North Texas we are right now. So we in the city of Hillsboro, Texas, Lone Star Cafe right here. Right up I-35 right here at Hillsboro. You got Fort Worth, Dallas split right up there. You got the 35 split. If you know familiar with this area, you go left to Fort Worth, right, take you to Dallas, and I can take either one. Most of the time I go Fort Worth when I'm going into the Arlington. So anyway, y'all, we're going to go in here and we're going to see what it's all about. Lone Star Cafe, Hillsboro, Texas. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we inside here. Y'all remember the RC Cola? It's pretty cool. They got the old signs up in here. Fort Worth Stockyards. They got all the stuff on the wall there. They got the specials here. Today the special is double decker grilled cheese one side. Got all the nostalgia there, the big longhorns on the wall there. Yeah, but anyway, y'all, we'll be back. Y'all, we inside. Look at this place here, y'all. Like it's been here for years. I don't know how long it's been here. I got the menu right here. Lone Star Cafe menu. And it's all about the chicken fried steak, y'all. Let me flip this thing over here. Steaks there. There we go here, beef. Here they got Yankee pot roast. That's what I want. Lone Star chicken fried steak, $12.99. Our famous steak dipped in special seasoned batter and fried to perfection with peppered white gravy. Sound good. I think you get two sides here. Yeah, all entrees served with two sides. That's what the sides is down here. I see the green beans. There's no corn, so I got green beans, mashed potatoes. That's what I'm gonna get. So anyway, y'all, we'll be back. All right, y'all, we back. I ordered the chicken fried steak, like I say, and the mashed potatoes and green beans. Got my sweet tea here. Let's try it out here while I'm on. Good, y'all. Wow. It's very good, y'all. I don't need no sugar in that. Yeah, y'all can see the little nostalgia of the place. I like these wooden booths. Say, look, it's been here a while, this place. It doesn't say on here how old this place is. Maybe sometime I finish the video today, I'll find out. But you can see all the old signs on the wall, Marlboro cigarettes. I think it's ranch style beans. Y'all remember them beans there? But there's not that many people in here, y'all. It's about 11 o'clock, 11:15 right now. So lunch is not really get here. I know these small town lunch on 12 o'clock, place usually fills up. So they got, you can be at the bar over there, see what the TV is, but you can be right here in the dining room. So anyway, y'all, I will be back here and get set up once my chicken fried steak comes, and we'll see. Look at this here. Get paper towels for napkins. You don't need no napkins. Get you a roll of paper towels. That's how you do it, y'all. Yep. Sitting here right at the window like I like. See right outside. So I'm excited. Anticipating how good it's gonna be. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. Make sure my microphone on. Y'all know last time I had microphone problems. Let me make sure here. Oh yeah, we good to go here. So anyway, let's check this out, y'all. This is a nice little lunch here. Got my green beans here, mashed potatoes, chicken fried steak, tea. So I'm gonna get set up here. And this thing came out in less than 10 minutes. It's good to go. So we're going to come back here. We're going to get set up. And we're going to see how it is. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We back. Y'all know what I'm going to do. I'm going to pour my green beans right on the plate here. Eliminate that bowl there. Okay, we're going to cut into this bad boy here. Before that juice get in the chicken fried steak. Okay, first little bite. Look at that. All righty. gonna taste without the chicken fried, without the mashed potato first. Mm-hmm. Mm. Well, let me try some with the mashed potato. Mm. Look at that. I need this bite. Mm. 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 Let me try these string beans. Mm-hmm. String beans going in. Nice. My mama would love those. Nice and soft. I'm gonna cut it in, and then we're gonna step off, enjoy this meal, and come back and show you how it is. We'll be right back. Look at this, y'all. I pretty much ate this whole meal I did. It was good. Good negatives, a lot of positives, but nice dinner, nice lunch though. For the price you paid, what was it, $12.99? But I'm gonna let you know, I always do my final review and let you know everything going, and we'll go from there. So anyway, we'll be back for our final review. Y'all can see in here how how many people's in here now and when it was before. It's really the crowd growing. What time is it? It's not almost 15 minutes to 12. So y'all can see how the lunch crowd is coming in. That's usually in these small towns, 12 o'clock, people coming off their lunch break and stuff like that. They come in and get something to eat, and usually the best cafes in town. So anyway, like I said, I'll be back. That's how much I ate of my meal. We'll be back for the final review. All right, y'all, we are back here. Give y'all my quick final review. Of course, this place is huge too. The lunch crowd is just now pouring in here, and I'm about to go get me some Dairy Queen. So I ain't gonna really close this video out. I'm definitely eating. If you're watching this, it's hot out here, and I'm just go get me some Dairy Queen right after I finish this segment. But to let y'all know, review of this place, like the atmosphere, like the nostalgia and the ambiance of the place. Like I said, I've never been here before, but definitely interesting. The mashed potatoes, let's get to that first. Mashed potatoes are very homemade. They had the skin on them, which I like. Green beans was too cooked, overcooked for my taste. And my mama was here in her life, she would love those green beans. Chicken fried steak. Chicken fried steak was, the breading was okay. It came off not as much as some, but it didn't adhere to the steak as I like. The down part about the chicken, but it's very flavorful. I ain't had to put no salt and pepper, nothing on it. It was very flavorful. The down part about it, it was tough, y'all. It was very chewy and tough. Not the toughest I've eaten, but it wasn't tender. It took a while to chew it and get it down. It was very, very chewy. Not tough, but just chewy. You know, the difference between really tough is like dry. It wasn't dry, it was just a lot of gristle in it for my liking. That's a big negative. But the gravy was okay. The gravy could have used a little bit more seasoning, but other than that, it had the right texture, not too thick, not too thin, in my opinion on that. But other than that, it was a nice meal. I ate it all because I was hungry too, y'all. But even if I wasn't hungry, I would have eaten it. Would I come here again? Yes. I want to try other things on the menu. I heard other people ordering interesting things they had on the menu. I was checking it out. But would I come here for chicken fried steak again? I don't think so. No, not no. To be honest, no, I wouldn't. I wouldn't come in and order the chicken fried steak again. But I'd come back here and order other things on the menu. I definitely would because I like the menu and the different type of thing. They got a chicken fried chicken salad. My auntie would love something like that. A chicken fried chicken salad, y'all. I would love to try that out. And other little things on the menu. So anyway, scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 7.5, y'all. I really do. It was good, but wasn't great. It didn't knock my socks off. But yeah, I don't have regrets coming here. But yeah. So anyway, we're gonna close this out when I come back, because I'm headed to Dairy Queen, y'all. Give me some ice cream. Cup of vanilla ice cream. It's been a while since I did that, but it's summertime, so it's ice cream time. So I'll be right back when I find a Dairy Queen in this town. I know there's one here, but we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. I think I found me a Dairy Queen, y'all. I think I found me a Dairy Queen around here. Let me look around here and see if I can find it. Oh yeah, I see it over there. It ain't hard. Every small town in Texas got a Dairy. Well, they DQ now. It used to be called Dairy Queen, but it's DQ. See that big DQ right there? So we just go in here, y'all, and we gonna go in here and order us some cup of vanilla ice cream. Y'all know how I do it. Y'all know how I do it. Couple. I go in there too to make sure they don't mess it up. I go in there and let them know exactly what I want. So this is the new style of DQs. You know, the old style Dairy Queen got that cover where you can eat outside under the thing. They done got away from the old school style. So anyway, y'all, I'll be back once I get my ice cream. We're gonna try it out. Be back. All right, y'all, we back. Now, I've got a little smaller one now, but it's still that got that nice twirl on it. Look at that. Yeah, but that's heaven right there, y'all. That is heaven right there. Gotta have my ice cream. It hits the spot right today. I'm telling you, it's gonna hit the spot on my drive to home to Dallas. I got from here, it's gonna take me about 50 minutes, y'all. 50 minutes to get from here to my house, and I'll be sleeping hour and a half. I'll be in my house in Arlington, sleep like a baby, because I eat the chicken fried steak meal and this ice cream. Thank God I ain't got far to drive, right? So, yeah, so anyway, y'all, thank you for joining on this trip today. And it's an interesting trip as always, and the trip number 14, and we'll be back in a couple of weeks for trip number 15. So anyway, if you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all.